Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here with FXAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So we're now into February 2020 and our trading month is off to an absolute flyer. Okay, so before I get into the actual trade update that I'm going to show you first, if you're new to my channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button now on the bottom right of the screen, or wherever you see the big red subscribe button. And you'll get instant access to over hundreds of hours of trading videos that'll help you excel as a Forex trader, okay? And not to mention the free weekly signal and trade alerts that we give you, okay? So this week we give you a fantastic trade on Sunday on the British pound Kiwi, okay? It was posted in the Facebook group on Sunday. You can see here, 2nd of February, we posted the trade sell British pound Kiwi on the open at 2041. Stop loss was 205 and the take profit was 201. Okay, you can see Yon, one of our clients, went to sleep with 160 pips profit on this one trade and woke up with over 300. Okay, and that's not to mention the other signals that are in play at the minute, which this week I did tell you in the email, I did tell you in the previous video, was going to be a huge week. And it's living up to my expectations. Okay, so let's head over to the charts. Okay, so this was the trade on the British pound Kiwi. Okay, Sunday, I told you on Sunday that I was expecting a large reaction to this move, basically because this is an area where the market, this is actually the area from the Brit exit move, okay, in 2016. You can see the huge drop from this area. This is a strong weekly institutional large speculator sell zone, where you'd likely see those kind of players come into the market and take profits on their long and enter shorts. Okay, so what I was thinking last week was this huge rally up into this area was just basically a move to get retail traders into the market, moving the market up, and then getting liquidity to exit their long positions from probably way in down here. Okay, they had been in their positions from way down here. Okay, so they needed to get liquidity in the market, so they pushed the market right up into this higher time frame zone, got liquidity. Retail traders are probably still buying this up here, probably buying it down in these swings, and then the market tanked. Okay, so this was I've seen this a long way. You can see the exact same happened over here. Last time I touched it, you get the huge rally into the area, the 4-hour charts, and then it sells off automatically. Okay, automatically. Okay, so if you look at every time, this here is the exact same setup as this. This one was a bit of a big candle, so you can see big rallies like this coming into these higher time frame areas. It's time to get out of the long and enter the short. Sorry. Okay, so that was a great trade. From the get-go, the market rallied or dropped straight down to our take profit yesterday, 300 pips. Excellent trade. So I really hope if you watched Sunday's video, you get into this trade. Now, if you want to learn how to actually get our weekly signals, you can click the link below. We are probably only one of the only services out there that will guarantee you results. We guarantee you will make a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days, or we'll simply refund you your money. And that's even if you made 800 pips or 700 pips. Okay, we'll refund you your money. Okay, we guarantee you a minimum of 900 pips every 90 days. We average around 1,200 to 2,000 pips per month. And if you in the Facebook group, you will see the weekly results. Okay, so click the button now, get in the service. I really hope you took this British pound Kiwi trade. It was a fantastic trade, and it was yours free to take on Sunday. So if you took the trade, comment below. Thanks for watching. Will at the FXAUUSD.com.